Welcome to Balance Academy Junior. If you're going to join us for some exercises, make sure to check with your parents or guardian first. Hello, boys and girls! I'm Hannah the Hippo from Balance Academy Junior. Each day, we're going to try a new exercise, which will be a fun way to help you improve your coordination and overall confidence. In each video, we will introduce 3 to 4 fun moves that we can all do together. For today's exercise, we're going to try something new and exciting. First, we're going to flop our arms like a bird, like this. Up and down, up and down. Can you go faster? Up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Now I want you to keep flapping your arms, and next I want you to stand on one leg. Try to keep your balance. Keep flapping up and down. Now, try switching to your other leg and see if you can keep your balance. Remember to keep flapping. Okay, we're going to introduce the final move now. I want you to keep flapping and keep your balance on one leg. And now, can you hop? Hop, 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 flap, flap, flap. Keep going. Can you try switching back to the other leg? Now hop, 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 flap, flap, flap. Okay, great job. I hope you had fun with today's exercise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, this is Hannah the Hippo saying see you next time.